Want to buy USDC directly in your Coinbase wallet? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Open Coinbase Wallet app. Launch your Coinbase Wallet app on mobile. Make sure you're signed in and have some Ethereum or other tokens to swap. Step 2. Tap the swap button. At the bottom, tap the swap icon. Select the token you want to swap from, like Ethereum, then choose USDC as the token you want to swap to. Step 3. Enter amount and review quote. Enter the amount of Ethereum or crypto you want to convert. Wait a few seconds while it fetches the best price quote. Tap Preview Swap, then confirm when you're happy with the conversion rate and gas fee. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. The transaction might take a few seconds to process on the blockchain. Once confirmed, USDC will appear in your wallet. Done! You've now successfully bought USDC inside your Coinbase wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.